Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, so I know you'd have seen in the description the Junction Road Improvement Project. Long overdue, missed multiple deadlines, billions of dollars spent, and we're still not finished. So this is where the project starts. So first of all guys, subscribe. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, share as well. All that will help YouTube to spread this video. Let's bring this video to at least 25,000 views, guys. Let's see how good we are on the channel. Remember to go over to my Instagram page as well, Rush from Reviews-Jamaica, and follow me there. So this project includes trying to fix some of the landslide problem on the Junction Road, which starts here in Broadgate. As you realize, they have dug down the hillside, go straight up to try and minimize the landslide. I'll show you from a drone's view, an eagle eye view, how the project is progressing, and we'll get some shots from the other section as well. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and let's enjoy this video. This is another exclusive content just showcasing some of the development happening in Jamaica. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so this is where the project starts, right here. And again, they're digging down the hillside to prevent some of the landslide. They're also making retaining corridor to prevent vehicles going over into the river. So those are some of the work they're doing. They're widening the road as well. So let's go up, take some eagle eyes shots, and see what's happening. Alright guys, so there you just have it. Views from an eagle eye, just showing some of the work along the Junction Road Improvement Project. To be honest, not a lot of work is finished. We see in certain areas where the retaining walls are not yet finished, and then certain areas in the steeper sections, they're still doing some excavation work. We're right outside of the St. Mary Banana Chips, or the farm for St. Mary Banana Chips. It's a part of the JP Foods Company. So this is where we're ending the video. Again, remember to like the video, leave your comments, and definitely share the video as well, so other persons can see the progress of work in Jamaica and what's taking place as well. So you know it's Rush. We really appreciate everyone on the channel. Alright guys, and remember to go on over to our sponsor for today's video, Chris and Charles Investment Company Limited. They have a branch basically in every parish. You know, show them some love, refer them to someone. All your information will be in the description of the video and also in the comments. So definitely support, guys. So I love making these videos. I love traveling. I love showing persons what's happening in Jamaica. I love seeing it for myself, first of all. I love seeing the development. I love seeing construction. I love seeing new stuff. And I'm always happy to share it with you guys as well. And every support is definitely important for the channel, whether it's a sponsorship like this one, whether it's you guys liking, commenting, sharing, watching our ads. Every support is important for the channel. So I appreciate you guys, and I'm sure I'm gonna see you on another video. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. Rush for more reviews.